A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move for labor rights, the Albanese government is set to introduce legislation today in the House of Representatives designed to protect penalty and overtime rates for workers under the award system. This decision comes in direct response to a proposal from the retail employer lobby that seeks to allow certain low-paid retail managers to forfeit their entitlements in exchange for a substantial pay increase of 35%. Currently, this matter is under deliberation by the Fair Work umpire, raising concerns among labor advocates and workers alike. The proposed bill aims to ensure that workers employed under the award system cannot negotiate away their penalty or overtime rates, a vital aspect of their compensation that many rely on to maintain their livelihoods. The Albanese government has taken an unusual step by submitting its position to Fair Work, emphasizing that pay loadings in awards serve as a crucial safety net for low-paid workers. Workplace Relations Minister Amanda Rishworth has been vocal about the importance of this legislation, stating, "Hard-working Australians rely on penalty rates and overtime rates to keep their heads above water, which is why this bill is so critical." This legislation would prevent any changes to the award system that might reduce or eliminate these essential rates, thereby safeguarding the interests of approximately 2.6 million award workers in Australia, which represents about 1 in 5 of the total workforce. The award system, which outlines minimum pay and conditions for workers in specific sectors, has seen a decline in usage as bargaining practices have gained traction. However, it remains a common framework for employees in retail, hospitality, and care sectors. The current proposal to amend the retail award primarily targets store managers earning between $54,000 and $62,000 and has garnered support from major retailers including Kohl's, Woolworths, Kmart, and Costco. While the legislation is expected to face opposition from industry groups, it has received backing from unions and the Greens, although the Greens have yet to officially announce their support. Shadow Industrial Relations Minister Tim Wilson has expressed concerns regarding the potential impact on small businesses, stating that the coalition is not yet committing to support the bill until they have consulted with small business representatives. Wilson noted, "When it comes down to it, we have concerns about making sure it doesn't hurt small businesses." Minister Rishworth has assured that the legislation will not adversely affect small businesses, but the final impact remains to be seen. In addition to the penalty rates issue, the government is also navigating ongoing discussions about how workplace contracts should address working from home rights. Business groups contend that employees who work from home should not expect to receive overtime and penalty rates if they have the flexibility to determine their own hours. Fair Work is currently examining this question in relation to the award for clerical and administrative workers, with business groups arguing that those who can work flexibly should not be entitled to additional pay for overtime or weekend work. Conversely, unions are advocating for the presumption of the right to work from home, suggesting that employers should provide a compelling justification if they wish to deny this right. Depending on the specifics of the proposed legislation, a bill that protects penalty rates and overtime rates for all award workers could potentially hinder Fair Work from adopting the recommendations put forth by business groups regarding flexible work arrangements. While the government has hinted at the possibility of legislating work-from-home rights, it has not yet indicated a preferred model for how this would be implemented. As the debate continues, workers and advocates are closely watching the developments in both the penalty rates legislation and the broader conversation about workplace rights in the context of an evolving work environment. The outcome of these discussions will have significant implications for millions of Australian workers and the future of labor relations in the country. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.